everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. So today's review is all about a magnetic charcoal mask. Your mind is thinking that, okay, do I remove the mask with a magnet? What do I do? So today I'm going to review for you a brand that I have reviewed before on my channel, and they are from CarbonCoco. So this is the CarbonCoco magnetic charcoal mask. So I want to thank CarbonCoco for sending me their PR box. I really want to thank, I'm so grateful and thankful. This kit actually retails for $145 for my currency. Once you convert it and with the shipping costs and everything, it's worth $145. So the mask is 100% organic coconut shell activated charcoal. It has volcanic ions, caramel oil and lavender oil. The benefits of this mask is the magnetic action draws out impurities on your skin. Smoothing caramel oil calms redness, activated charcoal detoxifies the skin. Essential oils protect skin from environmental pollutions. It doesn't contain any nasty chemicals. It's cruelty-free, formulated in Australia, and is super easy to use. How does a magnetic charcoal mask work? It creates like a microcurrent when you put the magnet over your skin. It will help to actually lift away, removing dirt, oil, environmental toxin, dead skin cells, leading towards healthier pores, and gives you rejuvenation and hydration at the same time. And this mask is a non-rinse mask because the mask will actually leave a moisture behind that will infuse into your skin for hydration. Okay, we will test that out as well. Okay, so this mask is suitable for all skin types. How do we actually use this beautiful kit right here? Opening up, they have an instruction menu right here of what you need to do. That is super amazing. Okay, the first thing you need to do is ensure skin is clean and makeup free before applying the mask. Okay, have a lot of makeup right here. Let me just go ahead, quickly go and remove. This is a beautiful set. You have the spatula, you have the magnet, you have the sheet, the plastic cover to cover the magnet, and you have the mask. Amazing. Okay, makeup is removed. Moving on. Second step is avoiding the eye area. Apply mask to face evenly with the applicator wand, and then leave a mask on for 15 minutes. There's some places still a little bit wet. I think I put a little bit too much. I think it's supposed to be like that, but this area is like super dry. Nothing. It is like super dry, nothing on my finger. Cover the magnet with the plastic strip and hover it over your skin until the mask is completely removed. If you find that it's not removing the magnetic mask off your face properly, remove the magnet from the plastic cover and then it will drop down. Put it back in and then you go back in. You just need one sheet for your face. Massage face to infuse the remaining product into skin for best results. Do not rinse face with water. For best results, use it once a week. I'm just gonna talk to you guys about how I feel and do the rest of my skincare. Okay guys? So overall, my thoughts about this CarbonCoco magnetic facial mask. It is super fun. It's super interesting. You can actually feel the magnetic feeling onto your skin. This mask, I would definitely say it is one of the most fun mask to play around with. Number two, it does give you the hydration on your skin, and once you actually massage the balance remaining product on your skin, it just dissolves into your skin and it doesn't like make it feel, how would you say, like rough, needy and greedy on your skin. I will also give you guys like an update when tomorrow when I wake up whether I have a zit besides this bad boy right here. This one here, let's talk about it. Okay, that's not even a zit, that is a damn boil. It just boiled up onto his skin and it was like super big. It was like really big. That's why I have not been posting. It was like super big and it reduced down after a week or so, and this is it. So would I recommend this mask to you guys? I would 100% recommend this mask to you. It's super easy to use. Even the spatula itself, it was so easy to apply the mask on the face. I didn't have any problems to go in the corner right here, or if I went a little bit overboard of my brows, I could literally use the spatula and like and clear the thing off. So applying the mask was super easy. Magnet, amazing. You have 12 sheets mask and you have a good quantity of the mask. So yeah guys, we are done. I had so much fun using this mask. I honestly can say I will not stop using this mask after today because it was super fun, super relaxing, and for some reason the magnetic feel on the skin just makes it feel even more better, guys. Honestly, I really hope this video actually helps you guys decide whether you want to buy this. I really hope you do. I love you guys so much, and thank you once again CarbonCoco for sending me this PR package. I'm so thankful and grateful. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys very soon. Bye guys.